How to change Instagram story from close friends to public. And can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, say for example that you have posted a story on Instagram and you share it with close friends only, just like this story right here. And now you want to change the settings of the story to share it with public. Can you do that? Now, as you can see right here, we have this icon at the top left corner, which is the close friends icon. If you clicked on it, let me open it again and click on it, you can see that Instagram here gives you only the option to edit your close friends list. If you clicked on it, you can add friends or remove them, as you can see right here. So the story will still be shared with the new updated close friends list. However, if you wanted to change these settings to share it with everyone, as you can see, there's no option for you to do this here, because Instagram as of right now does not provide this feature in which you change the um, list that you shared the story with from close friends to public. And the only solution to do so is to delete the story and repost it again with the um, audience set to public and not with close friends. Unfortunately, this is the only way to do so as of right now. So that was it for this video. Uh, that's how you can change Instagram story from close friends to public. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.